A breaking news alert from Photonics Spectra now, as NVIDIA announces a pair of strategic investments with leading photonics companies, all in the name of improving AI infrastructure. In separate announcements this morning, NVIDIA is detailing agreements with Coherent Corp and Lumentum for a total of $4 billion. Each of those companies will receive $2 billion from multi-year deals with the chipmaker. Coherent will provide NVIDIA with advanced laser and optical networking products. With the investment, Coherent will use those billions to further research and development efforts and expand on US-based manufacturing capabilities. Lumentum will provide advanced laser components to NVIDIA. They will similarly use their funds for R&D projects and expanding future capacity and operations for domestic manufacturing. Optical interconnects and advanced package integration unlock ultra-high bandwidth, energy-efficient connectivity across AI factories. With these massive deals, NVIDIA is bringing the optics and photonics industry into the national spotlight and proving that the AI revolution will be driven by photonics. We're in the process now of reaching out to those companies to learn more about the deal, so make sure you stay with Photonics Spectra for the very latest. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching.